First, slice the apples. Add them into the food processor. Add cinnamon powder, 2 dates, remove their seeds, lemon juice, honey, a pinch of vanilla bean powder. This is optional. You can even add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence instead of vanilla bean powder. Blend everything until just combined. Do not make it a puree. Transfer the mixture into the serving bowl and top it with walnuts, raisins, shredded coconut, or whatever you wish like. Enjoy!
Doesn't it look gorgeous? It actually looks too pretty to eat, don't you think? But anyways, we're gonna be giving it a taste test. Okay, let's dive in. It is actually like eating a dessert for breakfast. Okay, I can't stop eating. So go to your kitchen and make this yummalicious and delicious and super healthy apple porridge for yourself for breakfast. And happy breakfasting! And yes, one more thing. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down there, and I'll see you next time with another yummalicious recipe. Till then, bye!